So huge, bro.
Hey guys, we got some PopSugar today. Oh, I was so happy to come home. The February box. I didn't open it. Now I'm gonna open it. Here is SugarWish Sweet Happiness Deliver. Little box. Always expect something sweet is about to happen. And I got these cinnamon pieces of candy. I really like the box. I would like totally save this box when I'm done with this candy. And next we have, let's see, some nail polish seams. Ooh, red. I really like red. Red is one of my favorite colors. And I also got this lipstick or gloss. Oh, am I twisting it wrong? Oh, there you go. I think. It's a nice color. And and they gave me this body wash. Yeah, body wash, down kind. Yeah, because I just ran out of body wash like just the other day. Like just trying to squeeze out all the body wash, holding on. And this is pure hydration. It hydrates the stuff you spray on your face to hydrate it, I think. Ooh, we got this pretty little bag. See if I can open it. Oh, there you go. Having a hard time today. Cute little plush looking bag. I've been needing a bag too. Oh. Sorry. I've been needing a bag too. Three zippers. I'm gonna use this. I really am. And we have this hand powder burn. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's a candle. It smells okay. It's not bad. It's okay. And that's what I got. Oh, wait. One more thing. It's a code for 20% off for the something for SugarWish. You just type in the code you got. So that's what I got from PopSugar. I'm so excited. I couldn't wait to open it. I'm so happy I opened it. Hope you liked. SugarWish. I don't know what these are at all. I've been drinking. Bubble wrap. It's like it gets so annoying when somebody else do it. When you're doing it, it's crazy.
I've been drinking.
You just had to do it. When you get bubble wrap, it's there for you to pop it, not to protect the item. Remember that.